The following segment is sponsored by Smith Injury Law and 300hurt.com.
We all want to be good citizens. We all want to do the right thing. But after a car accident, who can you trust? Unfortunately, maybe not the other driver and not the insurance company. Attorney Richard Smith is with us this morning. Hi, Richard.
Hello, Margaret.
We've talked about the importance of taking pictures, preserving evidence, because sometimes people's stories change. Another thing, though, you want people to understand is the insurance company is not working for you, right?
That's correct. You make the mistake sometimes of thinking that the insurance company is going to be fair. Well, I can tell you, if the insurance companies were fair to people, you wouldn't see so many lawyer ads on TV, okay? They're not. Their job is to settle the case, pay out the least amount of money, and take in the most premiums. So that's what you got to look for. They don't work for you. They're just trying to get the case settled, get your name on that dotted line.
Yep. And in your book, 10 Critical Mistakes to Avoid If You're Injured in a Car Wreck, you talk about people who settle with the insurance company right away. They're not negotiating. They're not realizing what may come down the road. What's happening there?
That's a major problem, because right after the accident, especially if you're having pain, you may not realize how serious your injury is. And the insurance companies may say, we'll pay your medical bills and give you so much money. And people have signed those open-end releases thinking their case is still open. They've already released their case. They may find out they might need surgery or something down the road. Now they've already settled their case, and they did so because they did not consult an attorney, and they just trusted the insurance adjuster at their peril.
And I think another thing people don't think about is negotiating power. Individuals don't have much negotiating power, but when they're represented by an attorney, it's a different story, right?
That's very much true. I mean, it's like, reminds me of the old Robin Williams joke. You know, back the British police would say stop, or I'll say stop again. Whereas we have guns in the United States that the police officer said stop and points a gun at you, you'll stop. It's kind of the same idea. If you don't have an attorney representing you, the insurance company is not afraid of you saying that you're going to call an attorney. I mean, they don't believe you're going to do anything until you actually have an attorney that they know that attorney is willing to file suit on the case if they're not fair in their assessment.
Well, anybody watching this can request the book from you about the critical mistakes. A really easy read that there's a lot of valuable information inside. And people can get in touch with you by calling 300hurt or visiting 300hurt.com. Richard Smith, Smith Injury Law, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you, Margaret.